Hi, my name is Michael Greenman, and I want to tell you about a major announcement many years in the making here at Deltek. If you're a government contractor handling controlled, unclassified information, this is huge. Deltek's Costpoint GCCM, our flagship ERP offering for government contractors, has officially completed FedRAMP Moderate Equivalency assessment, a rare and powerful distinction for Department of Defense contractors. So what does this actually mean? It means Costpoint GCCM has independently been validated by a FedRAMP-recognized third-party assessor against the DoD's very strict requirements for cybersecurity compliance. DoD contractors can now benefit from the most trusted name for project-based software with our full suite ERP, CRM, capture, and manufacturing solution all on one platform. One platform for total confidence. Contractors with this solution will gain a major advantage over those who don't have it, so don't risk falling behind. Check out my latest blog for all the details about this key differentiator and how you can benefit from Costpoint GCCM.